tradition where beauty, brain and body count most. I am Edwin Ameridia de Lamon, your host for tonight. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet our 11 official candidates. This is Miss Gay Universe 2013, Manho, Pinupakan, Leyte.
My name is Aisha Marie Maxwell, but tonight, please allow me to stand to one of those hurdles in Philippine show business. Please, Sulen, will you stop? Please, upon the next topic, mas ayun ang now, ang bayo at umurang kubay, kaya kubay ng umurang bayan.
One thing. To do is another thing. To show is another one thing. But keep on staring at a gorgeous lady in front of you is the one big thing. I am now Troy Vega, 19 from Flawless Leyte, and undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Oil and Restaurant Management at the University of Cebu, main campus. Tonight, I am wearing a Filipina inspired costume because I am proud that I am a Filipino. So I'm asking you guys, are you proud that you are a Filipino? Of course, yes. Because all the way, in spite of all the destruction of the land, we still have this moment to smile. And that is the greatest moment that we can share to everybody. Because tonight, I am portraying the woman through the faith and principles that God is the greatest love of all. The woman touches the heart during the Miss Universe 2011 and will be crowned a Miss Universe 3rd runner-up. Your newlywed, Miss Shamsay Subsu. But before I leave, I have something to ponder on. Ingon sila ang mga bayo inansang daw sa cross. Pero, mahurot na lang inyong lansak kaming mga bayo niligid mahurot. Daghang salamat.
Sabi po ng isang tunay na Pilipino sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa, isang bansa, isang diwa. Mabuhay po kami mga bakla, Bulaga, Barat, Bisaya, at ang mga barat ay naiagtak sa ilid. Ang pagiging bakla po ay naging kasalanan sa mata ng lipunan, sa mata ng batas, at lalong-lalo po sa mata ng Diyos, sa mga mata ng Angelita o sa mata ng Angel. Always remember that God is the center of the show. Maupay na gabihan ng mga or should I say the vintage na buwan? Ako po ang babae ng salipong sa babayan sa 14, ang babae na papalibog at nagpapatulog sa prison sa interview, at ang babae na nasaga ang unang aswang, at ang babae na iwan ng salitang Saudi is magic. Kayo mo sila ang pagpapaluba si Bibi Erich Gonzalez. Fragrance is what's happening. Beauty is what I mean. Glory is in my hand. This is Gavin Diego 19 young of age, student of Messiah State University, taken by the first of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. And I proud to represent Dragon Festival. depends on how happy others because of you. Good evening, friends. A lady boy standing in front of you is a 21 summer, born and raised in Cebu City, taking up the course Bachelor of Science in Criminology, hoping to become a demoted police game in the near future. Ito po ang babae nagpapatibok sa teleserye ng ABS-CBN, ang Maria Mercedes ng Jessie Mendoza. Before I go, I have something for you to ponder on. When we love someone, we give everything without thinking twice. We deny the truth, but somehow we believe in the lies. But sad to say, the one we love turns out to be the one who hurt us most. That is to say, because we're love. Thank you so much.
Dahil sa matinding pagtatukla at hindi pagtanggap sa amin. Kaya sa galing kayong tanan, maupayagag na ating tanan, or should I say, maayong gabiin natin tanan. Delight and fascinate to your eye at the moment, crowned in the thousand glory of perpetual beauty, versatility and wisdom is a candidate for the five. A graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in English and minor in Biological Science, all the way from Naval State University, Navalgiran. I am a licensed teacher and presently pursuing my master's degree in teaching English as second language at Leyte Normal University, Tacloban City, once again. Equality is always the essence of democracy, and since that we are all living in a democratic government, we have the right to exist no matter who we are and what we are living for. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not just a mere product of your imagination, but this is the union of reality and fantasy. This is the ultimate celebration of homosexuality. By the way, I was baptized with the Roman Catholic name of Mark Christine Taraylianda, and since I'm one of the contestants of this pageant, allow me to introduce my middle name. Ito po ang babaeng pinipilahan sa pinilakang topic sa gado ng Philippine Stars Cinema. This is the woman with substance, dignity, glamour, and honor. Allow me to stand by the name of Miss Iza Calizayo. Ang tawag po magsara ang silon ng panandaliang palabas na ito. Bumiyahe po ako mula sa probinsya ng Biliran at gusto ko pong ihatid sa inyo ang mensahe ito. Nabanglaman po ako sa inyong pananaw at salot sa inyong isipan. Sana huwag niyo po kaya mabulat ang inyong mga sarili dahil sa matinding pagkasuklan at hindi pagtanggap sa aming lumagda. Sapagkat sa mundo ito, respeto, disiplina at pagmamahalan lamang po ang kailangan upang tayo lahat ay mabuhay ng matiwasay at mapayapa. Muraurado, mga taga-barangay man po, Pinupasyon Leyte. Ako po'y nangako mula sa gabi ito hanggang sa pinaka-uling banda ng aking buhay. Bakla ko po akong nabuhay. Bakla ko rin ako mamamatay.
Beauty captures your attention. Personality captures your heart. Hindi man ako kasing ganda ng mama mo. Hindi man ako kasing sexy ng ate mo. Hindi man ako kasing gwapo ng kuya mo. Man ako, isa ako sa kapit ng papa mo. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Della Cristega. But tonight is the beauty pageant. So please allow me to stand by the name of Miss, ang babae nagpapatibok sa puso noon, Reggie Modwester. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan at isigaw. Bini-bini, Rhea Ramos.
inlan. Ug nag-init, bayot ang initan. Ug kadtong pagtugpan Yolanda, kaming bayot ang pahimutan. Ug di pagtuloy na mga bayot kamuhanan. Ug para makibaw kining mga lain ug pakuwagan, bayot man ang dulan. Behold, ladies and gentlemen, and don't be shocked, because I stand by the name of the newly crowned and the first ever Filipina Miss World 2013. Kaya na pong musgaw, kamukha ko po ba si Binibining Megan Lynn Young. Ito po, candidate number 7 na nagsasabing, tingin sa harap, tingin sa likod, tingin sa kanan, tingin sa kaliwa. Oh, di ba, nag-ilo ka, no? Once again, this is Ricaya number 7 saying to all of you, from the deepest part of my heart, I love you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Good evening. I am depressed and yet discouraged when somebody called me a man. I am not a man nor a woman, but because of the chemical existence which comes from the chromosomes reproduction, just call me homo. But being a homo, I have an extraordinary skills, talents, and abilities I am ready to show and to share with. Ladies and gentlemen, a lady standing in front of you is a 25 years young age, an undergraduate in Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences, major in psychology at the University of the Philippines, Tacloban College, Tacloban City, Leyte. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I stand by the name, ang babae nagpapatibok sa puso ni Direk Paul, ang the boss girl, at nagiging kapitbahay ni Kuya sa Pinoy Big Brother. I stand in the name of Miss Tony Gonzaga. Pakpasan mo eh. I have something for you to ponder on. Ang pagiging bakla ay hindi naging kasalanan sa mata ng Diyos, sa mata ng lipunan at sa mata ng batas. Kung hindi ka gagawa ng ikasasama ng iyong kapwa. Paluhurin mo kami ng asin, painumin ng suka, ganito kami ipinanganak, ganito rin po kami mamamatay. And once again, Happy Fiesta, Barangay Malco, belated Merry Christmas, and advance Happy New Year. Good evening. And my passion represents the Pinagbenga Festival.
Paano po ako magsisimula hindi kayo magpapalakpakan? Paano po ako magalahan hindi kayo maghihiyawan? I always believe that equality is the essence of democracy. Since we are living in a democratic country, each and every one of us has attained equal right between men and women in our society. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Gail Uribe, 18, a fresh graduate taking up computer-based accountancy at AMA Computer College of Vermont City, and recently enrolled at Asian Development Foundation College Tacloban Campus, taking off Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing. Behold, beware, and be mesmerized. Ito po ang babaeng bumihag sa puso ni Mr. Senador Chief Escudero, ang babaeng hiram na mukha, at ang morphina ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Sabay-sabay po namin bigkasin, palakpakan at isigaw, Binibining Senyorita Heart Evangelista. All the way from the city that's rich in culture and hospitality, from the land of Sugar Cane and the home of Pugo Festival, the pride of Ormoc City. Bago ko pisahin ang apat na sulong ng itablad ito, ako po'y mag-iwan ng isang katagang kung ang mga lalaki ang katawan ng saging, at ang mga babae naman po ang puso ng saging. Kami mga bakla naman po ang unggoy matching na kumakalabit sa puno ng saging. That will be all, and thank you.
God bless the South Sea. The beauty of this creation and nature are all gifted to be a living witness. Having been raised in a beautiful town which rich in natural resources and rich in cultural heritage, fellow advocates of our environment, a day studying approach of years of fresh 20 years old, a senior student of Southern Lake State University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology majoring in programming, and since tonight is a game beauty pageant, please allow me to stand by the name ang minsan naging bayan sa papawid ng GMA at naging logo sa bakura ng ABS-CBN ang nagpaiyak sa puso ni Mr. Phil Young husband, Miss Angel Westin. Angel Westin na sabi, kabuton ko ang saging o ihapak sa inyong mga api. Siya o di mo kaliring. Kabuton ko ang buto o ihapak sa inyong mga dako nga itulo. Siya o di mo kuro. Kung kabuton ko ang langit o ihapak sa inyong mga itong nga mga singit. Siya o di mo musindit. Manong ka ba? Nung-nungi akong itlog, di? And we have to represent from the whole Triple Ali Calao. He lost later. Kung ang perlas ng karagatan ay matagpuan sa dagat, ang perlas ng kagandahan andito na sa iyong harapan. Maayong gabi, malho, and good evening to each and everyone, especially sa board of trustees. Allow me to introduce to you myself. I am a graduate of Visayas State University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Forestry, and I am now a licensed forester. I'm currently working at the Department of Environment and Natural Resources in the Undersecretary's Office. Before I go, ladies and gentlemen, I have something to you to ponder on. Kaming mga bakla, tulad ng abusaya, pampasarap, tulad ng pampa, banana ketchup. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand by myself, Miss Lucy Torres. Pakpak sagot.
Very soon, ladies and gentlemen, our 11 official candidates in their grand production number, Mary the Festival Fashion, the fashion icon.